Welcome back to Juicy Fresh Corner, your one-stop spot for fresh homemade goodness. Today, we are making the ultimate pizza sauce using nothing but fresh tomatoes, no canned stuff, just pure natural flavor from scratch. If you love homemade pizza, this sauce will take you to the next level. We start by slightly cutting the skin of our fresh tomatoes, boiling them for a few minutes to loosen the skin. You can see just a slight cut, not into the tomatoes, but just on the skin of the tomato. Cover to steam for about 15 minutes, and then you can drop your tomatoes into cold water to cool it down. This makes the peeling super easy. And yes, this step is optional, but it gives a smoother sauce. And once peeled, give tomatoes a rough blend. Just watch the process. Very simple and very easy to peel off the skin. The skins are already off now, and it's time to blend. Remember to remove the core of the tomatoes or the eye and give it a rough blend. We don't want something very smooth, but something rough. There is no need to add water to your tomatoes before blending to make it thick enough to dry on time while cooking. And it's time for us to prepare our onions, garlic, and spring onions. So try as much as possible to dice your onions into tiny pieces. Give it time, chop it well, because you don't need chunks of onions on your pizza except you just love it that way. Give it a good chop. Watch the process, very easy. We are done chopping, and then the garlic also dice it well, and then the spring onions. I got those spring onions from my garden. It's so sweet to see you making use of the things you produce by yourself. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot and saute some finely chopped onions and garlic until fragrant. Then that aroma alone is a game changer. Then add your blended fresh tomato puree. Now here's where the flavor builds. Add in your mixed spices, a little rosemary, white pepper, mixed spice, curry, and garlic salt. Stir everything well and let it simmer gently until almost dry. You know it's ready when the sauce thickens and the oil starts to peek through. And lastly, we're going to add the spring onion. Mix well, and just like that, you've got a rich homemade pizza sauce bursting with flavor and love. Use it right away on your pizza dough or store for later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And hey, let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. I love hearing from you. Stay fresh, stay juicy, and I'll see you in the next delicious video.